Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to practice for competition in category 1 and category 2. So you will be having on paper, which means I'll be sharing my screen and you should do the questions. So for practicing that, you can go to generator on the website. Just close this and syllabus is 2-digit 4 rows. So enter 2-digit 4 rows, include subtractions and enter 40 questions. Yes. So now you can download the questions in PDF, whatever format. Download the PDF. Solve the same question paper 2 or 3 times so that you will improve your speed. So that is the best way. And also you can check your answers. So in this way you can practice. So download many PDFs and keep practicing daily or alternate day until the competition date. You will improve your speed. So this is about on paper in category 1 and category 2. For speed round, just go to speed round and select 2-digit 4 rows including subtractions, and after you do everything you will see results. Okay, what you should do with these results, you should save the screenshots, and if you are interested you can post it in our WhatsApp group. If you did not join the WhatsApp group, I'll give the link in the description. You can join, so you can save them and compare your results each and every day whenever you're practicing. Just compare the speed. It will be very easy to compare your speed. Why? Because in the result screenshot everything will be there. So save all your screenshots in a separate folder and compare. And this is the same thing for multiplications and divisions in category 2, speed round and divisions. So in this way you can practice for competition. So for paper 1, I mean whichever it is on paper, just go to generator and download. Okay, yeah.